Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the live stream again, the water edition. So we're gonna check out some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, some markets, dollar currency index, all the stuffs, all the good stuffs. Hi Demjan, first in, always. How you doing, man? Always. What's up, Decentral Plant? How are you always on, man? How are you always on? Good afternoon, mate. Juchil, how you doing? There we go. Some shilling has been done. Babysitter baby's tired, so I have time. Nice. This is the sleeping time for babies, eh? This weird day. Yeah, hair is looking long and strong. Yeah, I actually took a shower today, so you know. So Bitcoin went from -6% today to -1.5%. We are hitting a resistance right now, but you know, that's all good and dandy. And if you have been watching the video, today I had a video on restore pages, doesn't matter, Richard Hart. By the way, yeah, I can say a quick word about that.
Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel.
Let's see here, where was it? Adoptere. In today's video, guys, there was the video, Ukraine-Russia FUD video. I explained how you have to, you know, keep your emotions to yourself right now, because there is a lot of FUD going on. I called it FUD, but people don't agree with me that that is FUD, you know, because, you know, Russia is actually, you know, attacking Ukraine. I understand that, but they are using the, you know, Russia-Ukraine war to FUD the price, to make it lower, right? So that's why I called it FUD. Sasha is Putin coming for you. I don't think so, man. We gotta, you know, between Norway and Russia, there is, you know, both, you know, Sweden and Finland and, you know, Lithuania and Estonia and the third country, you know, so, you know, there's a lot of, you know, room between us, so I think I'm good so far, you know, as long as, you know, the nukes don't start flying around, I think I'm okay. I think I'm gonna be okay, you know, so we're gonna continue doing the videos. The pain wasn't that bad given the world event. I mean, the pain was really bad in Russia though. If you go to the indexes, Russia is down like 38%. It was down something, this was the pullback, but it was down something like, let's see daily. It opened up here, and went down 42%, but you know, from the close, from yesterday's close, yesterday it closed up there, it went down 50%, so you know, it was bad in Russia. Hello bro, how's it going? I woke up today in the red boat mentally and physically, security and financially. You should have watched the video, my man. Just relax. Hey guys, if with interest rates, regulations and war BTC is at 36, then we will go to 1 million. Exactly. See, Alexander Lucas knows what's up. All of this stuff and we are still at 36k. I think we're gonna be fine. Hi, I bought BTC Solana last days. Ooh, Christina knows how to, you know, Christina doesn't care. Oof, yeah, Russia was down for 2%. Yeah, Russia is getting smacked big time. But if you look at a long price term of Russia, this is one of the most, you know, volatile drops in, you know, Russian history. You can see down here, this is the monthly chart. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 months or something like that, 80% down during the, you know, 2008 financial crisis. This was in 2000, I don't know, you know, I think this is when the Soviet Union, or just before the, you know, Putin got into the Putin started with Russia, right? It went down 93%. So 93%, 79%, and right now it's down something like, you you know, from the top to the bottom, 68%. So, you know, I think they are pretty much used to these crashes. This is 3 big crashes in the last 20 years. So every, you know, 5-6 years, you know, Russia has these big giant crashes. So, you know, I don't think they care anymore. I think they're like, it's just normal crash. Like we in Bitcoin, you know, we in crypto, you know, we get like these 20-30% crashes and like, it's just a normal day. But, you know, stock people are like, oh my god, you got 20-30% crash, it's going to zero, and we're like, it's just normal, it's just a normal day, you know. And the same thing is Russia, you know, stock market goes down like 50%, it's okay, man, it's okay, it will recover eventually. It will recover eventually. So I don't think they care that much. Now this is of course a lot more severe than previous crashes and stuff like that. So, you know, will the recovery come or not? That depends. But you know, but like I said in the video today, if you have been watching it, we have been -6% on the downside, right? We have been -6% on the downside. And you can see we are going towards the upside. Now, we are not out of the dump yet. This is actually quite terrible move. And this move towards the upside was kind of expected. Right now, we are hitting this 10 and 20 moving average. If we fail to close above these moving averages up here at the top, you know, that's going to be bad. So, you know, I'm not expecting this actually to recover towards the upside. I'm actually expecting something like this down here and maybe then recovery towards the upside. So we're going to see how that actually plays out. Ron is in the chat. Hey man, how you doing, man? Long time no see. But you know, I know something is happening every time Ron comes to the chat. How you doing, man? I had 1 million day in Nifty 50 today. Can I expect another 1 million tomorrow? Yeah, why not? What is happening in Nifty? I think I have Nifty up here somewhere. Let me see. Indexes. I got Nifty 50. Yeah, this is the one. Let's see how monthly Nifty 50 has been doing. Yeah, Nifty 50. Oh, Nifty is also getting crushed on the downside. So yeah, they're not gonna you know, survive this either. This is crashing as well. It's not technically crashing. I mean, it's a pullback right now. Like every time you break a trend, of course, this thing happens, right? You have some kind of uptrend, you break the trend, you go back down. So you can expect this 50 moving average up here pretty reasonably. I don't know where I should put this one here. Maybe something like this. You see, broke that on the downside. We had a big crash towards the downside. Right now we are having a crash. So even Nifty 50 is going down. I think you know, all the world markets are getting crashed. How long? What do you think about Casta? I heard it's a scam. It's not a scam, but you know, you cannot expect it to go towards the upside when Casta. Is there any Casta? No, there is no Casta. We can check it out on CoinCap. You know, they released at a really bad time. I mean, a Casta could have, you know, performed very well if it was released, you know, during the bull run or something like that. But you know, they released at the wrong time, wrong place, and you know, that's what happens. That's what happens, right? So right now Casta is at 0.2. It is, you know, it is falling down too much. You have to understand, I think a lot of people got Casta for free, if not everybody. I don't know about many people that bought Casta. I think most people are just, you know, they just got Casta, you know. So when you get something for free, you know, eventually you're gonna, I'm just gonna sell, take my profits, whatever, right? But I don't know. I think also some people might have you know, bought a lot of up here when we had, you know, we had the first pullback down to 0.70, and then, you know, we went back to $1 or something like that. And I was actually thinking, can this actually be a good thing? Because, you know, they have a lot of influencers and stuff like that to, you know, to shill Casta. Unfortunately, I didn't see that much shilling, and it started, you know, dropping down. So you can see here it's bleeding on the downside. I mean, Casta is a wallet. I mean, it might be good and stuff like that, but I just don't believe in the project. I do believe in the, you know, influencers and stuff like that. So this, you know, if we get some kind of bullish move towards the upside, this might actually explode towards the upside. That, but you know, not right now. I mean, if everything is going down, Casta is going to go down. The same goes for VLaunch. It started at $1, you know, it went up to $2, and I was like, oh man, shit, this can actually go to you know. But you know, VLaunch, I was like, VPED. You know, when Crypto started shilling VPED and stuff, I got my VPED for free. Yeah, but you know, when they start shilling it, you know, I was thinking like, hey man, I'm gonna join the, you know, the Warriors. I didn't know what the project was about, and when it came out, it was Launchpad. I was like, Launchpad? Like WTF, man! Everybody's got launch. Binance got a launch pad. Bybit got launch pad. Qcoin got launch pad. You know, SafeMoon probably has some kind of launch pad. Everybody has launch pad, man, and you got launch pad without any platform, without any users, without anything. So how are you gonna shill it? So I was kind of like, man, I don't know. Look at this move down here. Bam! You just bleeding on the downside. So it's bleeding. It's back to 0.5. It's less than $1 and stuff like that. Can it go towards the upside? Definitely. Both VLaunch and Casta can go up, but Bitcoin has to go up as well. So it's not gonna go up without, you know, Casta and VLaunch going up. I sold it for ETH near the top. Ooh, that's nice. I've been buying Casta. Oh. I don't know. I mean, there is a lot of good projects, guys. Don't get me wrong. There is definitely a lot of good projects in crypto. Unfortunately, in bear market, you know, being a good project doesn't help that much. Have you looked into World? Great potential. World. Well, there is no stuff for it. There is no chart for it, so it's probably some kind of new project. World. NFT Worlds. NFT Worlds. It might be a great project, but I'm guessing, yeah, it had a blow off top up here at 0.6. It went from 0.1 to 0.6, so 600% towards the upside right now. You know, it is going towards the downside. I don't have any chart for this, so you know, I cannot look at it on trading view or anything like that. But you know, you can see that it is bleeding on the downside. Unfortunately, it's bleeding on the downside. I don't know what it is, but you know. There you go. Indians are going crazy, increasing your views if you take Nifty to your thumbnail. Yeah, I mean, I'll take any kind of viewers, man. All viewers from all over the world. I should probably, you know, take a Nifty 50. What's the most popular stock in India, guys? What's the most popular stock in India? What's the most popular stock in India? What's the most popular stock in India? Okay, let me see some. Does somebody top trading best stocks? I don't know. 9 best stocks. No, not best stocks. Popular stocks. Let's see. Reddit knows, right? Indian investor. What is your source of daily information? Probably Tata. Luna, yeah, look, Luna has been performing nicely. We can check it out. You can take a look at RMRK. Yeah, sure, man. Why not Juno as well? Yeah, sure. Probably Tata or Reliance. I mean, you've been very want to set alerts. Sounds good to me. Yeah. Okay, let's check out some Tata stock. Tata Motors or Tata Steel or Tata what? Or Reliance. Reliance, there are two right? Intraday futures, yeah, probably the same. TSC and Reliance. TCS. I just saw TCS, I think. This one, Tata Consultancy, yeah. I understand why they like it. This is monthly chart, by the way. This is big. I don't know what it is. Unfortunately, this is also breaking the trend on the downside. I think let's see on the maybe let's see. Unfortunately, it is breaking on the downside, so this is done as well. Reliance. Let's check out Reliance up here. Reliance is still in some kind of uptrend, right? Reliance is still some kind of it is breaking on the downside. I mean, you can pull it up here or something like this, give or take. If it doesn't bounce from this 50 moving average up here on the weekly time frame, I think it's gonna go. It might go on the downside. You can see the 50 moving average, this yellow line, right? It is holding as support beside the Corona dump, of course. Down here you had a small move towards the downside. You had a couple of moves, you know. But so this 50 moving average over here, very important level to hold. If you fail to hold that, eventually, you know, you might see some down movement on the downside. But this is not just a problem just with, you know, Reliance or TTS or Nifty 50 or whatever. Entire world looks like this. Juno hit all-time high yesterday. Great timing. Juno? What is Juno? Do we have Juno up here? Crypto stocks. Is it Juno mirrorless? Cannot be this one. Cannot be this one. Let's see. Juno. minus 14 today. It might have hit all-time high yesterday, but you know, yeah, and right back down again to this level up here. It doesn't look like it's correlated with Bitcoin though, so that's nice. But you know, it's just on osmosis. It's not even on a DEX. How are you gonna get this if you know you need to join some shady exchange to buy this osmosis? I never heard about osmosis. Nobody talks about osmosis. I don't know what it is. Osmosis, unfortunately. But yeah, it's not correlated with anything, probably because it's not even on a DEX. Okay, let's check some coins. VeChain. First, let's do Luna. Luna is up 4% today, guys. Luna is up. Luna is doing nice. Luna is, went down here below 10 and 20 moving average, or got rejected right now getting back up there, but still 3 days and 5 hours left. So, if it gets rejected for the second time up here, we might see some low levels. But, the dump doesn't come until you are below 46 level down here. That's the level to, for the time I've at least been looking, on Luna for, 46. If you get below 46, that's when the dump happens. And there are several support lines right below us and stuff like that, but that would be a bad sign, right? Best case scenario, you get above the 10-20 moving average, especially above this 10 moving average up here at around 68. But it does look like it is, trying to get up there. You can see here, it's been holding this 200 moving average down here very nicely on the daily time frame. Let's see 4 hour. On 4 hour, it's above all the moving average, so it does look nice. It does indeed look nice. You see up here, right back up again. Is there a divergence? Ah, sorry, mate. Sorry. 4 hourly, you got the divergence going on over here. So this looks like it's gonna have a pullback. It has a pullback and gets back down below these levels down here, below 50. You might just, see some crumbling below 46 level as well. Nice move towards the upside, but we got the divergence, so some kind of pullback might happen. And this is not a small divergence either. It's quite big divergence. It's quite a big divergence. But if Bitcoin figures out to pump, everything pumps. All the Tata is under the same group. People love Tata in general. I will start making Tata videos daily. VeChain. Let's check out VeChain right now. VeChain also exactly the same as Bitcoin. You can have this move towards that side, back to 10-20 moving average. Just follow what Bitcoin is doing. It's doing exactly the same thing. Yeah, it's exactly the same thing, but it looks worse than Bitcoin though. It looks worse than Bitcoin because it broke the support levels up here. You can see support up, right down below the support right now. It got rejected. It's still going on downside. It looks like Bitcoin, but it looks worse than Bitcoin. Minus 5% worse downside. Now I got Solana right above the VeChain up here, 5.5% up today. Unfortunately, Solana also did break this crucial level 89 on the downside right now, getting rejected by that. So we're gonna see if it can manage to pump above and continue towards the upside, but not very probable. RMRK, Qcoin coin. Ooh, yeah, this had a parabolic move towards the upside, and it's bleeding ever since then. It broke the trend down here somewhere. You can see the trend is broken. This actually looks very nice. So you definitely do not want to break this trend on the downside down here. You don't want to get back below the trend up here. So this trend is very, very important. How much did it already? It went down something like 84%. Yeah, so it's down 83%, which is actually quite decent pullback for any kind of altcoin. It can definitely, anything can go like 90-95%, and that can definitely happen. I'm not saying it's not gonna happen, but 85% already is some kind of a nice dump on the downside. You can see here we broke this very important trend, went up there, retest, second up there, second retest. So this is very nice. So right now I think this can actually bounce, because if you invert the chart, this is a very normal pattern. You go up, you break the trend, you try 1-2 times, you go kind of sideways, and then you go in opposite directions, and that would be towards the upside. So RMRK does look that it does look bad, but it is above the trend line, so it's very nice. So we'll see. I gotta just speed above some comments. Sorry about that, guys. Osmosis is a proof of stake layer 1 built with Cosmos SDK. Can you check on Atom? It's holding strong as well. Layer 1 Osmosis. Yeah, I never heard about Osmosis though. Atom, Crypto, Binance, Qcoin, which I think I have an Atom here, so I don't know. There is Atom, minus 4% today. There's this big trend line over here that got broken on the downside, unfortunately. Still not, I think we're gonna do this on the weekly time frame. Yeah, I mean it's still technically still holding in this 50 moving average. So you gotta see this yellow line, this 50 moving average at 24. If we can, you know, hold above it, or next next week, you know, it maybe even jump above it. But it's really important level to hold. This 50 moving average. So I would say the 50 moving average, if you start closing below 50 moving average, cannot get back up again, you're gonna see this 100 moving average on the downside. Now, of course, everything depends on Bitcoin and stuff like that, but it does not look like it's following Bitcoin that well, though. It doesn't. BTC USDT. It doesn't look like it's very correlated with Bitcoin. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, let's just do it like this up here, and put this on a logarithmic scale as well. Yeah, it is following Bitcoin. I was just looking at it. I mean, it is following Bitcoin almost to the T, right? To the downside. It just had a big move towards the upside up here, but it looks a little bit different because Bitcoin did, you know, but this it's getting higher highs, but it looks like some kind of rising wedge. Do you see the rising wedge up here? Maybe something like this, give or take. I'm gonna draw it all the way down here. Yeah, something like this. So you see here, maybe if you lose this 50 moving average, it's a very important level to, you know, hold up here. If you lose the 50 moving average, it might, yeah, give or take. If you lose this 50 moving average up here, I think Atom is done. So don't lose 50 moving average. That's all I can say to you, man. What percent bull versus bear? I think right now it's 70-30. I think 70% bearish, 30% bullish. Unfortunately, because of the war. Now Bitcoin is actually doing quite nice right now, so you can check out back on Bitcoin for a second up here. It's actually it is actually in almost in green. I think I saw green candle up here, so it is very nice. You can see here 70 minutes left. Oh, this looks very nice, guys. If we can manage to, you know, get above the 20 moving average, that's gonna be super nice. But if we just get rejected by the 20 moving average, you know, right back down again. Man. 0.30. It went from -6% to 0.30. Gold pump and dump. No. I don't think gold is pumping. I think gold just pumping. Let's check on gold right now. Gold is -1%. Oh, that was a bad move. Yeah, gold pump and dump. Nah, it's okay. The problem with there's no problem. Gold is doing very nicely still, and gold is still in a very good option. So you can see here that gold had a very nice move towards the upside, came into this consolidation period and broke to the upside up here. Now let me just see if there is any divergence up here on the chart. There is no divergence. It looks nice. Let's see the monthly time frame up here. Monthly time frame is you know, if we go too fast towards the upside, we might experience a divergence on the monthly time, which would be bad. But if we close below 19 something, right, and that's only like something like 1, 2, 3, 4 days left. If we close below this level down here, that's gonna be very nice. If we close below 1907 on the gold, if you close below 1907 on gold, that's gonna be very good for the price, because then you won't have this divergence on the chart, and that's good. That means that next month we can continue pumping towards the upside. So that's very good stuff. Sometimes you do not want it to pump too fast. You can like over here, you do not want to pump too fast, but there is still no problem in the pair that is over here. I'm gonna show you why. So this triangle on the chart of the gold, right? We broke that towards the upside. We even managed to make a higher high up here. That's very nice. No divergence. Very nice bullish. You know, crossing down here on the weekly time frame. Monthly is actually looking like it's gonna get a bullish cross up here eventually. So it does look, everything does look nice on gold, and this move on the downside is still above all of these moving averages. So you can see the bunch of moving averages on the downside. Let me just clean up everything. You see these moving averages up here, so you can see that we just kind of escaped the moving average a little bit too fast. So, you know, some kind of, you know, sideways movement up here might actually help the price to continue towards upside. So I'm still very much bullish on gold. Chadwick down. Hey man, how you doing? What means bullish for gold and crypto? I have been saying we do not know how, you know, Bitcoin and crypto is gonna perform during the financial crisis, war, right? We do not know how it's gonna do, but we said that maybe, just maybe, when we have financial crisis, when people don't know what to do with their money, maybe they're gonna go into crypto. I've been explaining this before, so I don't want to go all over it again, but MOIX down dramatically. Yeah, we see 50% down. Johnny Stang got a YouTube channel. Let's chill. Johnny Stang, first of all, sorry because there are only 75 people watching, but you know, I'm gonna talk about this in a second. Yeah, Johnny Stang, guys, go join this guy if you like. He's always live. And you know, he is. Holochain guy. Holochain. If you like Holochain, go check this guy out. He's always streaming like 24/7 every single day. You know, go say hello. You know. How you doing, man? How's the channel doing? Think good? Big watch on Bitcoin, but usually I'm Holochain. Yeah, Holochain. How's Holochain? A long time I checked out Holochain. Hello. Let's check out Holochain, man. Oh, that's bad chart, unfortunately. But you know, it's not bad chart, man. I'm sorry, but it's not bad chart. It's just the same chart, like 90% of crypto right now. I mean, you can see the, you know, the resistance level up here and stuff like that. But you know, we broke a certain trend line on the downside, and then it's just bleeding. But it's breaking this one as well on the downside down here. It's breaking this one on the downside, so it doesn't look good, but you know, nothing looks good. It's not Holochain problem, it's, you know, crypto problem, unfortunately. So yeah, like everybody are so certain this is heading south. I've already put quite a bit of money into XRP this AM. I hate missing out on previous catastrophic discounts. I mean, that's one way to look at it, right? Bitcoin Bitcoin is really trying to, you know, get out of this. Let's see 4-hourly time frame. The 4-hourly time frame right now, very interesting how it's gonna close. How many lives? We got 12 minutes to the close of the 4-hourly time frame. Let me just. You can see this. This is very interesting right now. What's happening? This is the 4-hourly time frame. We're getting rejected by 20 movie. This is what I was expecting move towards upside. I didn't actually expect this much move towards. I was expecting a little bit move towards and maybe on the downside, but this is quite nice. This way, if you can manage to close in the next 12 minutes above here, that's gonna be super nice. Buy the dips, sell the top. Yeah. Big watch on Bitcoin, but usually I'm watching. Yeah, crazy. The bearish candle cannot be bullish gold. Man, on the other hand, look a bit, it's kidding. The bearish candle cannot be bullish. Yeah, it can. Depends on where it happens. Everything depends where it happens. You have to, when it comes to technical analysis, everything depends where it happens. You can see this big bearish move towards downside. It's breaking the trend on the downside, but this is you know, 4-hourly trend, so it's fine. It's no problem, right? But you look at on maybe on the weekly time frame, you'll see this big bearish candle down here that he's talking about. The thing is, this big bearish candle is not coming at the top. This big bearish candle is not coming after some big rally. This big bearish candle is coming when you are extended from the moving averages outside of the triangle. So where stuff happens really matters, whether this is bullish or bearish. You can have falling wedges in a huge bullish run, and they'll break towards the upside, or you can have falling wedges in some kind of downtrend and they will break on the downside. You understand? So where stuff happens, in what kind of trend, in what kind of sentiment, in what kind of market stuff happens, you have to take that into consideration. You cannot just look at it like candle by candle and say that's bullish regardless of everything else, you know. So this candle over here doesn't scare me at all. Now this candle would scare me if it happened up here. Difference. So, you know, very important where thing happens. Very important where thing happens. Nice to see you streaming TLA. Hi everybody. Hi Frieda 1984. But on the weekly, such an inverted hammer candle looks really ugly. It looks ugly, I understand, I get that. And you know, it is bad, but it's not bad yet. You have to understand in technical analysis, bad things happen. You know, you could have sold up here, whatever, because there is a divergence on the monthly time frame and stuff like that. But I still think this, you know, this has a chance to, you know, do this. And as long as it has a chance to do this, you know, we have to follow the chart. This candle is just one candle. I mean, there had been a lot bearish candles, but you know, we are not making life decision based on one candle. So it's all good. It's all good, guys. It's all good. On gold, it's all good. I don't know how Bitcoin is gonna perform, guys. I don't know how Bitcoin is gonna perform. So let's see what other people. USDT looks good too. Yeah, there is one thing before we go on. I don't know how many of you guys watched this, you know, this debate yesterday, Peter Schiff versus Richard Hart. I actually, you know, shilled to people and said like, hey guys, check this out, because it might be interesting, you know. And to tell you the truth, it was a shit show. I didn't like it at all. It was just, you know, one guy versus other guy, and I don't know if any of those guys won. It was the most terrible debate ever. But I want to mention one thing, because Peter Schiff called out, you know, Richard Hart and said, did you sell any hex? Because, you know, Richard Hart always says, you know, stake it, hold it, you know, whatever, right, shilling it to others. And he tried to avoid the question. And I understand a little bit about body language and, you know, how people, you know, react and stuff like that. So I was like, he just doesn't want to say it. Of course he's sold. Of course, the guy, you know, most people have like million, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million hex. This guy got billions and billions of hex. You understand that? Of course he's gonna sell. But he's tried to go around that and say, no, you know, the original addresses never sold anything. And that's correct, the original address never sold anything. But you have to understand that he has more than original addresses, and he did sell. I mean, how does he get afford, you know, 4 million watches, you know, cars, all of this nice stuff if he doesn't sell? You cannot buy anything with hex right now, so you gotta sell for dollars to buy it. So he sold. So I think that was a little bit, you know, going around the, you know, I understand he's trying to, you know, push hex and, you know, promote Pulse and stuff like that. But, you know, I think Peter Schiff got him on that one, you know. I think if he was a little bit more, you know, honest guy, I think he would say, yeah, I sold some, I got billions and billions. Of course, when I sell something, you know, I need to pay my workers, right? But he didn't say anything like that. So I think that's a little bit scammy thing to do. But overall, it was a shitty debate. It was a shitty debate. Give us some hopium, bro, at least. Some hopium. We went just from -6% today, this morning, when the war started, to green, actually. We were actually in green on Bitcoin today. We are actually, and you know, the hopium is gonna come. The hopium is gonna come if we can close in the next 7 minutes above this line. This is the most important line right now. Up here, you see this line? Maybe you should watch on the 1 second chart. This is the most important line right now. You see the line? See up here, we were above that line. We are above that line. And this is the most important line right now. So in the next 7 minutes, if you can manage to get above the line, it's gonna be very nice. Where is it? Let's say up here. There. So we gotta get above the line, above up here, until we come to this. Okay, this is 9 o'clock, so we got like 7 minutes left. We can watch the 1 minute chart. We can chill and see what's up. Johnny's staying $4.99 Show our legends some love, team. TLI Tech Analysis priceless. Let's go. Thanks, Johnny. Appreciate it. Appreciate the money, especially in these kind of times. You know, I'll take the money. I won't buy beer. I'll buy gas, just in case I need to, you know, run anywhere. What is pattern saying? Dump or pump? What do you mean, dump or pump? Peter shit is a more. Yeah, I mean, it was a shit show. I had a little bit respect for Peter, but after this, nah. Retail is already out on risk on assets, so I guess it's time to buy. If history is an indicator. Isn't the Hex guy in Mensa genius or something? I'm in Mensa, but it doesn't mean I'm genius, you know. The guy is good with numbers and stuff like that. But he's smart, I like him, you know. He has very nice ideas, you know. But, you know, being in Mensa doesn't mean anything. Being in Mensa means that you can, you are very good at, you know, IQ tests. You know, so, you know, you take a couple of IQ tests, you figure out what they do, you know, and you go take IQ test on Mensa, you know, man, there you go. You are right now in Mensa. It's just IQ test, you know. And I bounced at the last support today. If you look at Fibonacci levels from what, I don't look at Fibonacci levels. I'm sorry. I'm sure the bottom is in. Cardano, check? No, not yet. Konski said 5D BTC Gaussian channel closes in a few hours and it below it. I'm not looking at the Gaussian channels. Right now, the most important, the most exciting thing is if we're gonna close above the line. 37,292. Can we close above the line? We are pretty close there. We are pretty close. I think if we can close above the line, I think, you know, we just might, you know, close in green today. So that's gonna be a very good day, right? That's gonna be a very good day, right? We still got something like 5 minutes left. Let's check out Cardano. We did check out Cardano yesterday, and you know, Cardano. See here, it went almost all the way down to this 721 level support, but it did hold this trend line up here. So we drew yesterday this very nice support line down here. You can see the support line, and this is some kind of falling wedge, right? And you can see down here, or exactly down here, you can see that exactly down here that you know, we are still holding this support. Even with this week on the downside, we are still holding support. So this is actually very good. So maybe, just maybe, if, you know, Cardano has a falling wedge and it gets up, you know, maybe Bitcoin is also gonna do it. So oftentimes what I do, I look at altcoins and I look at what altcoins are doing. And sometimes, you know, you can see that altcoins are getting ready to pump, and then you can also assume that Bitcoin is gonna pump with that. Johnny is saying 8.9. Here's some more fuel money, bro. Love and peace. Ah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. I can get very far away from Russia with that money. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Love ya. Thanks for the stream, Milas. Thanks. No problem, man. No problem. Let's go a little bit up here. Sasha's analysis is so good. Putin actually invade Ukraine thinking a doctor lives there. He wants some analysis done on ship. Good evening. Gold Cup. Yeah, so on my chart, there are definitely some altcoins that are in green right now. So everything was down like 10-15% when I made, you know, a video earlier today, and I think we checked VeChain, man. But right now everything is like 0 to 5%. Something is some stuff are even in green right now. So you know, the volatility is real, and the most interesting part. 1 sec chart. We still got something like 3 minutes left, so let's keep on watching this, if this will actually, you know, manage to get up here. Now it looks like it's quite heavily below this. I mean, don't have that much. We got 3 minutes to get above this level up here. Unfortunately, this is some kind of you know, this is unfortunately this is, you know, we had a, you know, nice run up. This is right now first, second hit, right now third hit. So what's happening up here is gonna do something like this, and then on the downside, if you are watching 1 minute chart, of course, cannot pull it like this. I think we need to use this one up here. Nah. Doesn't seem that this one. It does seem it's this one over here. Doesn't look like it has you know, power to actually get above the 37,292. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it. Maybe. It's close. So it's gonna be interesting to see. Where's the support level? VeChain, please. VeChain chart. Why is everybody still talking about VeChain? How many? We got only 1 minute left. We're gonna watch this first, and then when I check out the support level for VeChain. Please smash the like button, Johnny Stang says. Hit the like button, guys. 57 likes. Why are you not hitting the like button, guys? It's a like button. You gotta like it. Look at that, guys. Look at it go. Look at it go. Can you do it? Can we do it? Can we get about 37,292 in the next like 30 seconds or something like that? 30 seconds left. Look at that. There we go. Oh, we are above it. What's happening, guys? What's happening? It's off the charts. It's off the charts. Can you hold above it? Come on. No. You can do it, boy. You can do it. Go. Come on, so close. You can stay above it. You can stay above it. I can see that. I can see that. No, don't fall below it. Get above it. Get above it. So close, so close. I think it's gonna do it. No. Don't go below. It's like 10 seconds left, man. 10 seconds left. Keep on above it. Keep above it. Go. Above the 50 moving average on 1 second chart. And nice. We are above it, ladies and gentlemen. El Salvador is buying the dip. El Salvador is definitely buying this over here. Let's see how this looks on the 4-hourly chart. Did we close above it? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we closed above it. Very nice. This is super bullish move. Extreme. Look at the price. Look at the price, guys. Look at the price going up. Very nice. So good. So now we have to avoid, you know, the dump on the downside, because if the next 4 hours we just dump right back down again, it's like this never happened. There is no like certain you know level that, you know, you get above that level, you're good. But it is nice that we managed to close above that 20 moving average up here. Very nice move above the 20 moving average. You saw this, you know, you saw the move, guys. You saw the move up here. Where was the line? The line was something like up here, right? There is was something like up here, right? And you saw the move. Very nice move towards the upside. Down here, bam, right back up again. You know, and right now it's, you know, pulling. It doesn't matter what's happening right now. Still got 4 hours left for the next candle to close. So, you know, we're gonna continue watching this up here. But, you know, the fact that we managed to, you know, bounce back above the 20 moving average, that's so good, guys. And right now, guys, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is back in green. Can you imagine that? There is war in Ukraine, World War III FUD, you know, all of the thing, you know, nuclear war, whatever. And Bitcoin is in green. Russian stock market is down like 50% and Bitcoin is in green. Imagine that. Imagine that. Good times, guys. Good times, guys. Hit the like button if you like the 1 second chart, guys. El Salvador now 100% short, 100x short. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Recovery is insane. Recovery is insane. Okay, let's check out VeChain and where the support level for VeChain is. So you can see here on the VeChain that, you know, you are below the weekly 0.6 level. Also down here was also very important level. So you're already below very important support levels. Let's see monthly time frame. Monthly time frame should be, I don't know if this all of this, but, you know, down here at 1.017 we are below 20 moving average. We don't have any more moving averages down here. So what we have right now over here is you know, 0.2. I mean, technically these levels could be acting now this is engulfing candle, this one is not engulfing candle. I think all the way down to 0.2 or something like that. I mean, there are definitely some kind of some support up here, but that's we are below that. And there is this support down here because, you know, the wick down here, so there is that, right? We got up here. All of these can be legit supports. All of these can be legit supports. But I would be looking at this this up here at 0.22 as a more important support than these three up here. But yeah, any of these can actually, you know, hold it. That's how support levels work, right? But 0.22. How do you like that, guys? How do you like that? Oh, that's so good. Ah. Oh, the question now, guys, the big question, will we be able to go above this trend line up here again? You can see here we tried, you know, sorry, we tried. Are we gonna try again, guys? Are we gonna try again and get above the very, very important resistance line towards the upside? I short at 36.9 wrecked. Oh man. Did you hear the rumor about Mexico accepting? I'm assuming you meant to say BTC there as legal tender. No, I did not hear the rumor. And also daily candle green low after minus 15 this morning. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Like, a lot of stuff is in green. I think everything is gonna end in green today. I think this was capitulation to become the downside, guys. Enjoy the party, guys. Enjoy the party. This is capitulation. This is capitulation. I think we need a little bit more, you know, fancy music. We're pumping. Look at the guy. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, how important was that 1 second chart? How important was that 1 second chart above the 20 moving average? How important was that move? How important was that move? Oh, we gotta play Doge Daddy so long ago. I think it's Doge Daddy time, guys. I think it's Doge Daddy time. I think it is time. It is time to play Doge Daddy. It is time. Let me find the link. Let me find the link. Guys, it is time to play Doge Daddy. This is it. This is it. I'm not gonna jinx it. I don't think I'm gonna jinx it. I don't think I'm gonna jinx it.
Sweet honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme.
Guys!
About real as I don't
Guys.
It makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy.
Guys.
I'm like electricity. I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme.
No, this one.
About as real as a dollar.
I need a link. Where's my link?
I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash.
Guys, we are doing it. Bull run continues.
Doge Daddy, yeah. Go
Dash. 6% up! Oh my god, what is happening? Nice! Look at that! The moves, guys, the moves! Holy crap! Who doubts? And you said that, you know, Russia, Ukraine is not fun. Be a millionaire. Dash. Look at the rockets! Go dash. Did you see the move? Did you see the move? Oh man. El Salvador 100x long. The pullback is legit, it's fine, no problem. I mean, we can still go back down to 37 no problem. Dash. Endless. Ah, Christ. Just a second.
Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity. I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash. Go dash. Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash. Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash. Go dash. Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash. Go dash. Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go dash.
Sorry, but you know, baby, I woke up the baby. I woke up the baby.
Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see.
Greatest stream ever.
Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity. I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Doge Daddy.
I like 1 second chart now. Yeah.
Go Dutch, Dutch, Dutch.
Ralph. Did you see that, Ralph? Did you see that?
Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king
That
is
was
on
nice.
a roll. There is no shame in his game.
Let
He's
me
having
hear for
fun,
this
he's in
moment.
control.
Nice.
I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes
30
me
bucks
wanna
on scalp.
scream.
Nice.
I wanna be a millionaire.
Yeah, BTC doesn't care, guys. BTC doesn't care. Very nice. I saw it. Ooh, yeah. It's insane, guys. We went from -6 to +6% today. It's insane. It's insane. After all over the world. I guess Ukraine-Russia war is over. We should probably check the news.
So dollar bills can kiss my gold Dutch. Gold Dutch. Doge Daddy, yeah.
Good times, guys. Good times. Okay, that's that, guys. That's a Doge Daddy. I hope I didn't jinx it, but you know, it's been a long time since we played Doge Daddy. It's been a long time. Luna is up 5%, but something that's up more is Solana. Solana is up 8%. Guys, we still not out of the dump yet. It's nice move towards the upside. See, we are above the 39,000 up here. We went all the way to 200 moving average. Looks good, looks nice, like looks juicy as you know what. But you know, we gotta like I said, guys. Like I said, we gotta get above this trend line, guys. We gotta close above the trend line. If you can manage to close above this trend line up here, I think you know tomorrow is gonna be a good day. I always get scared when you play this song. WTF is happening, lol. Yeah, did you see that, man? Insane moves. I think this kind of alone shows why we are all up crypto. Yeah, this is the moment we are living for, guys. This moment we are living for, right? All up crypto. Yeah, this is the moment we are. So it's all good. I missed the Doge. Yeah, you missed that. You have missed Doge. We played like Doge Daddy for like 10-15 minutes, right, man? Where were you? Did you see that, man? Did you see the 1 second chart? We are following 1 second. It was epic, man. It was epic. We were following 1 second chart right above here, and as soon as that happened, as soon as we closed above the one, what did I say to you guys? Because I understand TA. You know, you have to understand that, you know, 20 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame. Getting this big move towards above the 20 moving average, it's important. And you saw what happened on the important closes. Bam! Everybody becomes super bullish. And I said, if we can get close above it, people are gonna be bullish. People are so bullish, guys. So bullish. Very move. You deserve my like. I'm very selective. Ooh, you're very selective. Thanks, man. Then your like means more than, you know, other likes. Beats your second birthday, yeah. So very nice move to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is outperforming everything. Let's see the markets right now. By the way, guys, did you see the markets? S&P is in green as well. WTF, man, WTF. S&P is in green. Is S&P closed? Is S&P closed up here? Yeah, S&P closed a long time ago, but yes. Yeah, S&P goes towards the upside. This is futures. It is still pumping towards the upside. S&P 500. Dow Jones still going up to 10 moving. Yeah, I'm not really that, but you know, the move is legit, guys. The move is good. The move is nice, especially above this trend line, guys. This trend line, very, very important trend line. You can see the move towards the upside. Super nice. Nasdaq is a strong. Last time I looked. What's Nasdaq called? Futures. I think this one, right? Yeah, it is getting up, but it's still not above the trend line. It's still not above the trend line. Let's see up here. This one is not broken. Is this broken down here? Close, but not yet. Close, but not yet. Close, not. But yeah, we just felt too much because of the fear of the war. And what did I tell? You need to watch my videos, guys. You need to watch the videos. What I say in the video, you need to go back and watch the video, guys. The late adopter. I even said it's FUD. Russia, Ukraine FUD, this one. Keep your emotions in check. Bitcoin is at support. Check the video out, guys. Check this video out and you'll see what I say. You'll see what I say. First crash is right now on my chart over here, like altcoins are minus 10 to 15%, but you know, that happens all the time. Might be a very good thing for Bitcoin because we do not know how Bitcoin actually reacts during these kind of times. You know, we didn't have, you know, Bitcoin in 2008 during the major financial crisis. So you know, how will it actually hold up? Do you know? I don't think anybody knows. That way, you know. See, news that there were three trend lines. This is this trend line, this support level. This is this trend line, support level, and I think there was one more thing that was, you know, yeah, this expanding wedge was also support level down here. So we are at the support when I made this video, and it is a very important video. And I said, like, keep your emotions in check, guys. Keep your emotions in check, because there is a lot of, and I said the video is Ukraine-Russia FUD, right? Because we already know that we are on the move towards the downside. We already see that, right? But we got overextended. I saw that and I was like, yeah, chill a little bit. Take these, you know, don't get affected too much too fast. And I also say in the video that last couple of days I've seen a lot of people selling, and that's true. I've seen a lot of talk, like people saying I sold, I cannot take this anymore, you know, Russia is gonna attack, you know, anytime now. Salam is in the chat, member for 6 months. Hi man, how you doing? Awesome to watch, thanks for right. Of course. It's only here on this channel where we can, you know, have nice moves. TLA pump BTC confirmed. TLA is Bogdanov. Glad I didn't sold, yeah. I mean, you know, these kind of events tell me, like, you know, this is capitulation, some kind of capitulation event. And when I saw that we are on support level, I was like, guys, there's so much FUD going on right now, you know, that, you know, this might be it. This might be it. WTA happened to BTC. Hey, you gotta check the live stream back, you know, check the 1 second chart, guys. Any slumber TC at Corona Dump, I know it was different, but there were a lot of news leading up to Corona Dump too. I don't think there were a lot of news leading Corona Dump, because I remember Corona Dump very, very well. It was week before the Corona Dump, you know, and the Italy was closing down the city, right? Italy was closing down Milan area or stuff like that. I don't remember quite, but I was telling my wife, like, China closed down entire city, like, this is insane. Who does this, you know? And now Italy is closing the entire city and the markets are not responding. I'm telling my wife, something is wrong, something is not right. The markets are not, you know, getting shaken. I do not get it. And this was before the Monday crash, right? And I was telling you, like, something is not right. And then, of course, on Monday, bam, straight down. Tiala looks like he got puff. Tiala bought a dip. I went big on Luna at 50, thinking it was FUD. Yeah, Luna 50, so right now 63, nice. Somebody, yeah, the late bus driver, if he's watching XS crypto Tether, he bought at 53, and I asked me, like, hey man, you know, when is good time to, you know, sell and stuff like that, and I said around 20-50 moving average. So I still think that might be a, you know, good time to exit the trade, but you know, he bought at 53 up here. And you can see there's a big wick right back above the support level down here, going towards the upside. So you know, whether this is gonna be short-term pump or something like that, but it is pretty legit move. It is pretty legit move towards the upside. The TLA is back. Yeah, Luna is performing well. I'm not Luna performing well for a while now. It is holding this 200 moving average very nicely. Not only that, it is breaking towards the upside here. You can see here, broke towards the upside here, went all the way back to 50 and right back up again, So I went big on Luna at 50, thinking it was fun. Collector, you did well, man. But you know, if it goes back to 50, you know what to do. Nice, very nice. What more is reacting well to this this madness? Hex is not really. Hex is down -8% right now. Shiba is in green. That's good. Doge is still down, but a big week on the downside. I'm losing faith in Doge though. XVS plus 10%. SLP, where is SLP? I want to check the -3%, so it's not recovering that well. Yeah, SLP, inflationary. Ethereum plus 3.7%. Ooh, that's nice. So it opened up here, it was down 10%, and right now it's plus 3.67%. This move towards the upside, you can see here on Ethereum, right? Even though we went down, we went right back up again, but we did not break any kind of important levels. You can see resistance level, moving averages, trend line up here. We are still below everything. So even though the move is very legit, you know, I don't want to ruin the party, but you know, we still got a, you know, a little bit way to go to, you know, to get. Is this a fake BTC pump? Well, you could also say, like, is this a fake? Was that a fake, you know, BTC dump? So you know, it's really hard to say. It's really hard to say. Like, we are still haven't closed above this trend line up here. We still have to close above the trend line before I, you know, say anything like that. Because see here we're getting rejected by the 50 and 20 moving, but we had a big move towards upside. So it's normal. It's very normal. Will BTC dump or continue up? I think it's gonna, if we can close above this trend line that I drew, this blue line on the screen, I think we can continue towards the upside. Guys, we are going to the moon. Fasten your seatbelts. Clear, what do you expect for EGLD? Many things. Not much. I expect to follow the Bitcoin. Unfortunately, EGLD was one of these coins that nobody cared about until, you know, until Crypto started, you know, shilling. Until Crypto started shilling, at least from what I could see, right? He started shilling it down here, right? It was looking good, it was climbing slowly, and then we are watching this, you know, breakout towards the upside. It went up to some kind of resistance level up here, and after that it was just, you know, bleeding towards downside. So it's still bleeding towards downside. The recovery on EGLD right now, it's not that good. You can see it's still in red down while a lot of other stuff is. So Bitcoin is outperforming EGLD definitely right now, right? Bitcoin is outperforming EGLD. It does not look good. It was nice move towards the upside. This was some kind of, probably some kind of exit opportunity. Right back down again and bleeding on the downside. So this is a huge rejection, like everything else right now. But we still got some kind of support down here, you know, where it can around $120, where it can bounce off of that. So we're gonna see how that actually performs. But yeah, well, right now, you know, the Bitcoin is the big thing, guys. The Bitcoin is the big thing. The question is, how can we survive this? Can we go up? You can see here even on daily time frame, we are not above any kind of important moving average. We're still below all of the moving averages on all of the, not on all time frames, but all of the moving averages on daily, weekly time or big time frames. So still not, you know, out of the dump. But it looks nice. It looks nice. It's a good move. Yeah, you look like Jesus. Crypto Jesus, I'm gonna change my channel. Crypto got wrecked. He did? How did he get wrecked? What did he do? Hello, boom, there we go again. EGLD is really on discount right now. Everything, technically you can say that about everything. Everything is on discount, right? The moons. Oh man, the moons. Are we gonna do the moons? No, not this one. This one. Moon phases. Well, technically, this actually blew. You know, the moons are not working right now. You know, they're definitely not working right now. Definitely not working right now, right? And this dump moon actually is pump moon. So you know, maybe we are waiting for a new moon to pump us towards the upside. Maybe we enter some kind of inverse moon strategy right now. I don't know. But the best thing that I like about chart right now, I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. There are a lot of bad moves, and this is 4-hour chart, so this is some kind of short-term chart. But ultimately the nicest thing that I can see on the chart right now, the absolutely nicest thing that I can see on the chart right now is this falling expanding wedge that we are breaking towards the upside. If we can manage to hold above this wedge for maybe a day or two or something like that, I think that's gonna be the single best indicator that this might actually propel towards the upside. I think, you know, I think that's what we've been waiting for, this falling wedge on the 4-hourly time frame to break towards the downside or towards the upside, right? That's what I mean. You can see here, this has been some kind of a, you know, shakeout down here that's been happening, and right now we are breaking towards the upside. So I think the very best thing that can happen, if we can stay above the line. If this for whatever reason pulls back, it's good, but you are still not out of the falling expanding wedge. You're above 10-20 moving average, sure, but you're not above the wedge. So this needs to, you know, do something like this and then continue towards the upside. But if you can manage to close above the line, if you can manage to close above it, I think that's it, guys. I think that's very good, and we can continue towards the upside. A palindrome week. What is a palindrome? Palindrome. A palindrome is a word, sentence, verse, or even number that reads the same backwards and forwards. Oh, a palindrome. Okay. 222, 22. Yeah, I guess. Russia buying to hedge against the sanctions. Yeah, maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. Folks, don't get hyped up. Don't get fooled. Oh, Chaco Ben is in the chat spreading news about 10k. Expect price lower than 5k. No, Chaco Ben, you said 10k. What's up? What's up with 5k now? You said 10k. What's up with 5k now, man? You said 10k. No, me and Chaco Ben are all good, man. Me and Chaco Ben are all... He's calling for 10k like for, you know, months and months now. It can happen. Nobody says, even Richard Haas says 10k. I think it's gonna be 20k, whatever, right? We all know that it can go down lower, but I'm not gonna go months and months and go tell people it's gonna be 10k, it's gonna be 10k, it's gonna be 10k, it's gonna be 5k, it's gonna be 5k. I cannot do that, man. I cannot do that. Soon below 5k. Dump and pump today. Yeah, it's big. It's big. Did you request a number? What number? Yeah. The return of Pluto. I'm still expecting below 25 BTC this year. You know, even though we are seeing what's happening in the world, and even though we are, you know, assuming Bitcoin will have some kind of capitulation down to 200 moving average on the weekly time frame around 20k, even with all of that, never assume anything, because we have been assuming Bitcoin around 80k, at least 69k and down. Even though you have been assuming some kind of blow off top, no blow off top, 2 bubbles down. You know, do not assume stuff. Things change. Markets are unpredictable. That's why I look at the short term. We look at the moves. Tila question: what is the level on weekly RSI that can indicate good bottoms? Right now, where we are right now. First of all, we'll turn off this one. Let me go to this chart up here. Let me just turn... No, I cannot turn off everything, but you know, I can turn it. Okay, so check this out. This RSI, right? How do you like the line, by the way? Do you like the line? I think line's okay. Line's good. Maybe we should go something like this up here, something like that down there. Give or take. Look at this. This line is legit, guys. This line, we might see some kind of 33,000 down here. I think that's the. I think if you go below 33,000 down here, I think that's gonna be bad. So I don't want to go below 33,000. But yeah, RSI. Look at the RSI. This is a full history on Bitcoin and RSI. Right now, where we have been right now down here, you can see down here, the only time we go below these levels, this is 37. This is 37 on the weekly, and the weekly is very important. These are capitulation areas. These are the very bottoms where you capitulate. Down here, this is where capitulation started, you know, started happening. This is capitulation in 2014. This is capitulation down here in 2018. You can see down here 2014, 2018, 19, right? This is, you know, this is the capitulation on Corona dump right now, and we are right now just above this capitulation phase, right? So we are at the bottom, and the only thing that we have left is capitulation phase. The only thing we have left is capitulation phase. So you know, one can ask itself, If we fall below this line, for example, this line up here, below 33,000, start closing below there, because previously, although 33,000 wasn't below the line, right now it is below the line, right? So if this happens, will we have this capitulation phase down here where we, you know, get to this bottom and continue towards upside? That's the question, right? That's what everybody wants to know. What if you don't do that? What if you just go to something like this up here or something like this and go up again, right? You know, what if we bounce? So I'm not saying now. I'm gonna say we're gonna go down to 20,000 once we go below 30k, but I'm not saying 20,000 right now. It doesn't make any sense. If you got bought, you should take a profit right about now. Gaben. Bjornar is in the chat. My local butcher has started accepting crypto's payment, but only proof of stake. Bjornar, how you doing? Doing good. Bjornar is a local. Bull market definitely not over yet. Yeah, I mean, we still got, you know, we are at some kind of bottoms, guys. We are at some kind of bottoms. If we go down, we got some kind of capitulation phase, but, you know, there's that. It does look good. It does look good. My local brothel has started accepting crypto, but only hard folk. Hard talk? Hard folk? Folk. Hard fork. Hard fork? Folk. We're going down again. Check the low. So if you bought the dip today, any profit now, you should take it before the market turns down again. It can turn again. I'm not saying it cannot turn again because, you know, it just came a little bit too much excitement today. And you can see here, there we go. I did not check the RSI. Unfortunately, we got. This is actually bullish divergence, guys. This is actually bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence. Lol. We got hidden bullish. If we close down here, now it's still 3 hours and 28 minutes left. If we close down here, guys, we got a hidden bullish divergence. Why are you Euro full banning power of work by 2025? I don't know, man. Nobody's got power for anything. You see right now, you know, energy crisis, you know, are happening right now. How are you gonna run, you know, your miners, you know, when there is no energy for anything? Tiela, the background music is too soothing and relaxing. I keep falling asleep. It's okay, it's too late. The late bus driver, can you please play Dodge Dynamax? I'm working and driving bus late. We did play it like for 15 minutes, man. We did play it. I'm done playing it right now. How you doing, the late bus driver? By the way, since you are here, I just, you know, since we've been talking about the AXS and I said, you know, 2050 moving average on the daily time frame might be, you know, some kind of nice exit and stuff like that. I still believe that. But, you know, this move towards the upside are not even close, you know. Right now at 48, and, you know, it was a big move back towards, you are still not even close to 53 level on the AXS, unfortunately. But I think there is probability to hit 2050 moving average before we get rejected. Now we can definitely still get rejected from over here and continue down lower. So, you know, nothing is certain, man. Nothing is certain. If we can get above 39 final hold, it's a stop hunt. Play it, come on, Magnus. We did play it already. Mission accomplished. I made you laugh. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Bottoms are for bullish divergences. Maybe. There is a bullish divergence, guys. There is a bullish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame up here. There is no bullish divergence up. No, sorry, this is AXS. Nobody cares about this. On Bitcoin, there is a bullish divergence, guys. There is a bullish divergence, guys. Bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. Tell the world, guys. Tell the world there is a bullish divergence on the hidden bullish divergence on the hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame on Bitcoin. What is this? Is better. Bullish divergence. What? Regular bearish divergence. No. Hidden divergence. Yeah. This cannot be hidden. Wait. Price going down. RSI going up. Bearish divergence. This is wrong, man. Bullish divergence on the bottom side. Hidden bearish divergence. Oh no. Hidden bearish divergence. Oh man. I got so excited, man. I got so excited. I got so excited. I got so excited, man. It's okay. We need to get above 38.78 to actually avoid the divergence. Oh man, I got so excited. Oh, I got so excited. God damn, you know, I'm watching always divergences. I should know this stuff, man, in and out. You know, sometimes I got so excited, man. Bearish top, bullish bottom. Oh man. Ah, Christ. Okay, let's find something else then. Let's find something else. Man. Man. Come on. You always know it, you just go Doge Daddy hyped. Can't let it close though, so we can't say that bearish just yet. Yeah, you're completely right. We still need to wait like 3 hours left for the confirmation. For you know, it's not even confirmation because divergences are lag indicators. So you technically don't know. You know, you still need to wait like 12-16 hours left. No, 12 hours left. 1, 4, 8, 12 to 16 hours left to actually, you know, see if there is divergence or not. But oh man, it needs to get it, you know, it needs to close above this level up here. It's not just enough to close above the it's not just enough to close above this trend line up here. It needs to close above 38,782. It needs to close above here. It needs to close above here. Oh man, such a bummer. Now I cannot play Doge Daddy now when I've seen that it's a, you know, hidden bearish divergence. We did play Doge Daddy. We did play Doge Daddy. It's done. We jinxed it already. Stock RSI was overbought on the 50 and 1 hourly time frame before the pump. Not fan of stock though. It needs to hold above 39.5 really. There are all kind of level it needs to hold, you know, and this is 4 hourly time frame. It is nice pump towards the upside. Let's see up here, you know, let's see my support levels down up here. These are the most important ones. You can see this red box down here. This is the very important box. I would like to hold above 38.5 or something like that, but you know, 38.780 up here is the divergence. But you know, this is this could be bullish engulfing candle, right? This could be bullish engulfing candle. 1, 2. So this looks like a nice bottom. I mean, it definitely looks like a nice bottom. If we can get above, close above here, I think it looks like a nice bottom. Not all signals play out. Yeah, not all signals play out. Let's hope that. Let's hope that. Unfortunately, but it was nice pump while it lasted, guys. It was very nice pump while it lasted. We had good times even in these bearish moments. Unfortunately, even in these times, you know, with the uncertainty in the world and Ukraine and Russia and stuff and war and stuff like that. I mean, we got some kind of joy out of it, right? I would say 39.2 is the ultimate resistance. I know I sound all FUD, but unfortunately we go down again. It's not FUD, man. FUD is when you say, you know, oh, Fed is increasing interest rates. You know, oh, Russia is attacking, you know, that's, you know, and you try to push down, that's fun. But just saying it's gonna go down, you're just being realistic. We know it can go down, we know. We know that this move down up here doesn't mean that much. We know what levels we need to close above and, you know, to become bullish. But it is a nice move. It is a nice move and we are very happy about it. Hey, if Russia is banned from SWIFT, do you think they can use XRP? No clue, man, no clue. Don't ask me about, you know, XRP and stuff like that, because every time I say anything about XRP, people think I'm fudding XRP. So you cannot even be realistically objective about XRP. And because people, if you say anything that's even slightly negative about XRP, they'll be say, hey man, you're fudding, stop that. You know, so. Russia wasn't banned from SWIFT. They aren't banned now, but they're saying that they might get banned. So what are they gonna do then? Well, they're gonna go through China, something like that, right? Really hoping for the best BTC. We all suffered enough. Enough is enough. I agree. Today was an interesting stream. I love it. Thanks, man. It's good that we can have these kind of streams again. It's good, it's good. Now, you know, altcoins are going back down again a little bit, unfortunately. Getting rejected by certain levels. Getting back down, you know, the hype was just too much, too fast. Ethereum also above the moving average is nice. We'll see, we'll see. Okay guys, this is gonna take a while. 3 hours and 80 minutes until the close. We want to close above the expanding wedge on upside. We would like to close above 38,370. Sorry, 38,780. We would like to close above this level up here. This is the most important levels. We also got some other levels down here at 38.5, right above this red box up here. That would be nice. But you know, we're gonna see how this actually plays out. I'm not gonna stream for the next 3 hours, you know, there is no point in continuing the stream anymore. But it was a nice stream. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Thanks everybody for hitting the like button. Thanks everybody for being here, you know, so we can play Dodge Daddy. Hit the like button, come back tomorrow, watch today's video, because I explain, you know, some kind of FUD that might happen, you know, and how we know, you know, when this FUD is happening. Thank you for doing this. For example, last summer was so nice. I start many of my days watching your stream on a balcony sipping coffee. Oh man, thanks. You know, if the bull run resumes, you know, the Bitcoin morning show might come up again. I'm always thinking about it, but you know, the Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin daily shows, you know, I like doing those, you know, because I wake up, I send kids to school, I make myself a coffee, you know, sit down, you know, the sun hits my face, you know, and then I check out what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening with Ethereum, you know, stuff like that, you know, that's nice. So I might, you know, resume that eventually, you know, but you know, right now, these are the stream that counts, you know, when and something happens, you know, we do the streams, so it's good. Anyways, we're gonna see what's happening. You can see Bitcoin went down -6%, then +6%, right now it's +2%, so how this is gonna close, it's hard to tell, but it was a nice pump as long as it lasts, right? Cannot ask for more, can you see here we are getting back below the line, but you know, we still got 3 hours and 16 minutes left, so anything can happen, guys, anything can happen. If we go down, we go down, if we go up, we go up. You're gonna know it tomorrow, right? And think well. See you tomorrow, guys, same time, same place. Bye-bye.